My mom gave me a dime just to go buy a lime. Instead, I write bubblegum, but bubblegum, but bubblegum.
Then what was the other ones?
My mom gave me a 5. She said goodbye. What's the rhymes with?
Give a nickel.
I mean, my mom gave me a nickel. She said go buy a pickle. Instead, I bite bubblegum, but bubblegum, but bubblegum. My mom gave me a 5. She said go buy. Actually said she
Give me a quarter, maybe? No?
Yeah. My mom gave me a quarter. She said go buy a locker? Instead I write bubblegum, bubblegum. Another one, this is gonna be kind of funny. My mom gave me a 5. She said go stay alive. I didn't stay alive. I choked on bubblegum. That was the last part. It's a song.
Oh, really?
That's it. Let me sing another song. I know it.
Okay.
I caught a baby bum. Do you know that I caught a baby bum?